Joe, how much of what we saw today was a legacy from the Sorrell era?
I think you'd have to say probably most of it, insofar as Mark Reid has only been in the job permanently since September, and a lot of these pressures have been building up at WPP over the last 18 months, and that clearly feeds into when Sir Martin Sorrell was CEO of WPP, and a lot of the pressures are coming in their creative agencies, where they're struggling to adapt to the digital demands of consumers. And Mark Reid was saying today that we just haven't really repositioned ourselves well enough. We've still got too many ad men doing things like creating TV commercials and designing newspaper ads, and that's not so much what clients want nowadays. So that's where they're suffering. So I think you can't put too much blame at Mark Reid's store today.
More broadly, an unexpected slowdown in the UK and in Western continental Europe, Joe. That doesn't sound too good.
Yes, and it's been an oddity of WPP that their UK performance had been pretty robust, and people have been thinking, well, in this Brexit context, might we not see advertisers pulling back? Well, I think now we are seeing some data which suggests that advertisers are pulling back, particularly in the UK, so WPP has been hit by that. And it was also surprising to see how WPP performed today, just given that the other major advertising groups like Publicis, Omnicom, IPG, they all reported quite strong numbers last week in terms of their sales growth. So clearly there's some specific problems for WPP, and that's pretty worrying for Mark Reid and his team.
Joe, are investors going to give him time to fix it?
I think that's a very good question. There's a theory out there which says that Mark Reid will be given 6 to 12 months to really try and turn it around at WPP. But if he doesn't do it in that time frame, I think you'll increasingly hear a chorus say this man isn't the right man for the job just because he was so close with Martin Sorrell. He's a company insider, and therefore we need someone to come in, an outsider, perhaps a financial engineer who can come in and maybe break up WPP, sell off the most important and valuable parts of the business, and maybe we might see that. So I think Mark Reid, he'll have time, but he won't have that much time.